Assalamu alaikum and good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and having great time at home. I welcome you all to the Smart School e-lesson classroom. Let's see what are we going to do today. We will learn about the concept of long and short. We will also identify long and short objects. And we will also draw long and short objects. So let's begin the class. These are two ropes. This rope is short. This rope is long.
Look at these paintbrushes. This paintbrush is long, whereas this paintbrush is short. A hockey stick is long, and a table tennis bat is short. Here is a pencil and an eraser. The pencil is long, while the eraser is short. Look at these creatures. The snake is long, whereas the caterpillar is short.
Can you tell which color pencil is long? Yes, red color pencil is long. And which color pencil is short? Yes, yellow color pencil is short. Well done. Can you tell which caterpillar is short? Yes, the yellow caterpillar is short. And which caterpillar is long? Yes, the green caterpillar is long. Okay, now can you tell how many long sticks are there? Yes, right. There are 3 long sticks. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3. Great. And there is only one short stick. Okay, dear students, this is your day 1 task. You need to draw 1 long pencil and 2 short pencils and show it to your teacher. This is your day 2 task. This task should be done in your Smart Number workbook. You need to color the short pencil and draw a long and a short scale on page 14. Best of luck, everyone. Let's see what have we learned today. We have learned about the concept of long and short.